Hi everyone. Shopify versus Wix versus BigCommerce. Which one convert best for affiliate? If you are serious about affiliate marketing in 2025 and wondering which e-commerce platform, Shopify, Wix, or BigCommerce will give you the highest conversion and best commission, you are in the right place because in this video I am going to break down the key difference from an affiliate perspective and reveal which one consistently convert better, earn more and build long-term income with less effort. Let's start with Shopify, the most recognized e-commerce platform globally and the one that arguably the strongest brand trust. Shopify affiliate program offer up to $150 per paid sign up and has one of the highest conversion rate in the space thanks to its polish on bonding trial to paid funnel and passive demand from aspiring store owners. Specifically in the US, the user experience is streamlined, and if your content target people searching how to start a drop shipping store or build an online boutique, Shopify convert like crazy because it's seen as the gold standard. Wix, on the other hand, is more of a website builder than a full-fledged e-commerce solution. And while it does offer affiliate payout up to $100 per sale, it tends to attract users looking for simple blog portfolio or service sites rather than serious online store. So the LTV and conversion rate are generally lower. Wix sign up process is easy, but the platform e-commerce tools are not as robust, which often result in lower affiliate retention and high refund or churn rates than their big commerce, which offer recurring commission to 200% of the customer fast monthly payment or one or $1,500 per enterprise referral. But in practice it harder to convert because the platform appeal to more advanced user or large businesses, meaning your audience need to be very specific and technically inclined. Plus big commerce is less beginner friendly and does not have the same volume of how to search demand on Shopify. So when it's come to affiliate conversion, Shopify wins hand down, not just because of its higher payout and strong branding, but because the audience it attract is motivated, action oriented, and more likely to pay for a plan after trying it out. If you are creating YouTube video, blog, tutorial, or social media content on e-commerce, dropshipping, or passive income, Shopify affiliate link embedded in valuable content like how to build a store or Shopify versus Amazon FBA consistently outperform the rest. Want to see the exact funnel I use to promote Shopify and generate recurring commission? Drop a comment below and I will share my affiliate toolkit for free. And if this help you choose the right platform to promote, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more affiliate marketing insight that actually make money in 2025.